So NoteIt drawing app has a new exciting look. So let's just update the app. It's version 2.1.0 with a new visual identity and a more intuitive interface. In this latest update, we have considerably improved the app's usability through UI UX in design techniques. Also, some users have sent us feedback about issues related to the widget. We identified the bug and fixed it. So there you have it. Did you like it? Your feedback is important. Want your experience to be perfect? Rate the app here and App Store, and then just leave your suggestions. So there you have it. So let's just check out the new design. So here's the app. Basically, it takes some time to load. I already had an account, and basically here you can just send all these notes. I don't know if there is a big like change in functionalities, but here you just have all this stuff where you can just again add notes. The ads are still there. You can just add, like if I want to draw something, I can just draw it like this, and then I can just tap send it, and then I will be able to send it out. Send successfully or not will soon be in your partner's device. So there you have it, and then you can see latest note sent, and then you can just send it over. You can see all the notes here. If you want to unlink from current partner, you can just tap unlink. Then you can just write feedback. From feedback, it will be just basically an email support@noteit.fun. From this email, then you have user ID, build version, build number, and all of that. And then in feedback you can ask all the questions about contact, about you want to know about everything. Here is also the guide how to add NoteIt as a widget. So it's just go through that guide, and then it just basically redirects me to iPhone page on apple.com. But yeah, basically to add it, just tap and hold until the app starts to jiggle, and in top left you will see the plus icon. On older iPhones it's in top right, so I have iPhone 7, so that's in top right. And then you can just search for NoteIt. It should appear like this, and then you can just add it. There are two widget sizes. There is small widget, there is big one. It just depends which size of notes you like. Either you like, big note, or you like smaller note and all of that. So you can just enable that, and then basically after that your widget will be added. So something like that. Super cool app. Just you can surprise your colleagues, your loved ones, by drawing on this widget, by sending different exciting notes and all of that. So that's about it. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next videos.